To you who feel like you've reached the limit of living, I want to reach out to you who are trying so hard. I want to reach out to you who feel like you're not trying enough. To you who find life difficult and want to disappear, I want to say this. You've already tried so hard. You've tried so much alone all this time. You've endured. The crime has always been loneliness. You've always been alone. Today, tomorrow, there was nowhere you felt you belonged. Even if you had a place to return to, your heart never found peace. You've always lived with that weight on your chest. That's why it's hard for you to smile. You've always lived as if everything was fine. That's why words of comfort are hard to hear. You wanted to be needed by someone. You wanted to be loved. You wanted to be hugged tightly. You wanted to feel warmth. You longed for someone on your side. Even if you were wrong, you didn't want to be judged. You wanted someone to touch your heart. You didn't want anyone to touch the scars on your body. You made a promise to yourself. You longed for it. You wanted someone to listen to you. You didn't need encouragement. You wanted someone to understand. Even one ally, even just one kind word, that's all you wanted. It was hard to live. You were exhausted. You couldn't tell anyone. You couldn't lean on anyone. You couldn't trust anyone. Being betrayed felt too painful. You wanted to hold on to something, anything. I can't encourage you as much as you've suffered these past 3 years. But I know that by the time you've listened this far, you're not smiling. It's okay to not do anything. Crying is not something to be ashamed of. Rest your heart here. Welcome back.